Kaskmanyia bird. Diet, avocado. Drink, dirty Atlantic Ocean water. Height, 15.25 centimeters. Weight, 300 to 400 grams. Habitat, Mexico. Can't fly, 66 miles per hour, 1,936 yards per minute. Predators, dogs, cats, foxes, bears, panda bears, polar bears, octopus, seals, sheep, dogs, pigs. Average lifespan in 6 years. More, they go crack, crack, crack when they're hungry. This is what they look like. Average Kaskmanyia bird can hold its breath for over 30 seconds. They usually live in Mexican jungles. Body temperature, 109 Fahrenheit. Type, bird. Kaskmanyia, egg. More, how to pronounce Kaskmanyia. Fun fact, they eat 5 to 6 avocados a day, or about 1,400 calories. Fun fact, it will take 15 days and 17 hours and 17 minutes and 41 seconds for Kaskmanyia to go around the world. It will take 56 days for a Kaskmanyia bird to go around Jupiter. It will take 1,395 hours and 52 minutes or 18 months for a Kaskmanyia bird to go around the sun. Fun fact, it will take 10 million years for a Kaskmanyia bird to go a light year. Fun fact, it will take 160 years for a Kaskmanyia bird to go an astronomical unit. If a Kaskmanyia bird ran non-stop from Mexico to Hong Kong, the journey would be 16,842, 123.68 meters long. It would take 6 days and 14 hours, 33 minutes, 50 seconds. Did you know Kaskmanyia birds used to live in Sakatula, and they used to fly? Sound. A Kaskmanyia bird running sound at 66 miles per hour is 77 decibels. A Kaskmanyia bird song is 33 decibels in most song. The quietest parts are 31 decibels, and the loudest are 51 decibels. Other about. Type, herbivore. Scientific name, velox, tropicalis, cyano, aves. Fast tropical blue-green bird. And that's the Kaskmanyia bird.